Okay, so next I got a package from Giorgio Armani, and they sent over the eye essential eye tint. And so I think there's about 8 of these in the whole collection. So it says, this long-lasting crease-proof liquid eyeshadow delivers buildable, high-impact color that glides on smoothly and blends effortlessly. Mix and match shades to create your next signature eye. I'm going to try these right now. I have on makeup from earlier, so you know what, why not? Let's just go ahead and see what it would look like. One of these I know for sure I'm not gonna wear on my eye just by looking at it, because I really don't do shimmers like on my own. If I get my makeup artist to come by, like Shalon is good, and she's good at like incorporating any products that we have that we want her to use. So and she would be probably a lot better at applying something like this on me than I would myself, because like I said, I don't do shimmers, and I don't do them because I really don't know what I'm doing. I just know what I'm doing enough to, you know, put makeup on my face and look, you know, presentable. This one for sure, let me show you. This is the box that it comes in. This is the packaging, okay? And then this is the one that I like so far just by looking at it. You know what? I might do a giveaway with these other two. All right, so okay, all right. I like how it just glides on, okay? And it says on the box that it's it doesn't crease, so that's great. Just blending these edges. I don't wear any eye color. I don't do any of that stuff. Anything that's simple, easy, but still like looks good, because I don't like a lot of makeup on my face. As y'all know, when we do vlogs and lives and all that, I don't wear makeup. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup all the time, especially when I don't have to. Like I don't have to. Look at me. Don't want to, but you know what I mean. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure if I can see what it like really looks like on the camera, but either way, in this mirror, I have some color, and that it just, you know, contributes to my neutral makeup look, and I do like that. This lid is more pronounced because obviously it has more stuff on it than this one. Y'all know the little man who be talking about the people who can't drive. I love when he be using that tapping thing. This one right here, it just cracks me up. This one right here, this one is good, and this one here, it is not, because it has no stuff on it. No, I'm gonna break my little old glasses. Okay, either way, I would never do this with the good glasses. Okay, I like that. I like that, and I think I'm going to go and get me, I'm gonna get me some eyeliner, because I don't wear eyeliner either. No, I just anything that gives me the most neutral, natural, pretty face, that's what I want, unless I'm doing a photo shoot or have to sing on stage or red carpet, things like that. That's the only time that I hit up a makeup artist, or like a big interview or something like that. If I travel and do interviews, that's the only time, because I just really don't like wearing makeup like that. But yeah, so this is the color. Again, these are all shimmers, okay? Again, this one is the one for me for sure. I'm not gonna do none with this, so I'm gonna make sure that I don't test the other one, because somebody could win that. These are I believe, $40 individually. They're $40. So somebody else can, I'm gonna do a giveaway with the other one. And this one, these other two, I just tried them. And so y'all don't want nothing from my eye. And I'm not gonna give that to you because that's not sanitary. I'm going to for sure use this other one. It is called Chestnut. It is, it's my favorite of the three. I've not tried the other one, but I just know I'm not gonna try it. Let me show it to you. No, I'm not gonna know what to do with this. Therefore, I'm not gonna try it. I'm not gonna waste it. I'm just gonna do a giveaway. And then we were supposed to do one on our live last night, but we forgot because we were just having so much fun. Nobody even asked about it. But so yeah, so we're gonna do a giveaway, I guess the next one, and then we can, give away some of the things that we have. So yeah, I'm gonna give this away. And it is the eye tint in shell, okay? So yeah, but let me wash this stuff off my face. Let me get a shower and start on my work. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Hey guys, happy Vlogtober. So I wanted to come on really quickly and show you guys because Keyondra and I were about to go grab a bite to eat and probably like just go look around. I saw one of you guys say on our last vlog today that you saw some headbands at Nordstrom. We've been looking at headbands at Nordstrom and they've not had, like, the pickings have been super slim. So I'm gonna go and take a look to see what they may have, because I was looking at ones, because I like the ones like this that have the little cones in them. Y'all, I broke them. I stepped on my other one, my black one, and it snapped so quick. My goodness, like, I'm not going to H&M again to get another headband. So I'm gonna look at Nordstrom, and I might get it online. So we're going out, and I wanted to show you guys my fragrances that I'm wearing today. You guys know, if you've been watching our vlogs, if you guys have been watching our vlogs, you know that this is my go-to oil mix. These two here, I've been wearing these all summer long, and they're so good. But y'all, these are not really summer fragrances. I would actually call them all year-round fragrances, but y'all know apples are in season, and then vanilla just gives you like this warm kind of vibe. So these are perfect for fall and all year. And then I am also wearing today Glossier's Rev, and I really like this one. Y'all know this one is the more sophisticated smelling one. I'm gonna spray just a little bit more on. I always say a little bit, and it's always a lot because it's mine. And so it's just like really sophisticated. I don't have on anything super fancy. I just have on this jacket that I got from Target, their Champion collection, and some leggings and sneakers. But I just wanted to smell really nice today. I was like, I want to smell fall today because it's giving me a nice fall day. Sun is out, and you can definitely tell it's the fall sun. I was like, there's a difference between fall sun and summer sun. Do y'all know that? Like, or do you guys see that? Like, maybe it's just me. But whatever. So this is what I'm wearing today. But we also wanted you guys to comment below for us. We were thinking about going to brunch this weekend for our Living Noire for episode 15. But y'all let us know. Do y'all want us to do breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner? Like, what are y'all feeling? Like, what do y'all want to see? We want to hear your thoughts on it. So let us know in the comments.
Y'all, we're just finishing our food, and it was pretty good. The other location is actually better. And, but yeah, the food was still good though. Nice, clean, healthy, not heavy at all. And I like that. So we're on our way to Atlantic Station. And then we're going to go to, I'm going home, yeah. But we're going to Atlantic Station, probably going to walk around, where? H&M, Banana, yeah.